Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build 25941, which is released to the Canary channel. As a reminder, as builds released to the Canary channel are hot off the presses, Microsoft will offer limited documentation for builds flighted to the Canary channel. No known issues, for example. Also will not publish a blog post for every flight, only when new features are available in a build. Starting with this build doesn't consist of anything new, but consists of changes, improvements and few fixes. Talking about the changes and improvements. Starting with this build doesn't consist of anything new, but consists of changes, improvements and few fixes. Talking about the changes and improvements. For graphics, in this Insider Preview build, you may notice that there have been some changes in the Advanced Display Settings page via Settings, System, Display, Advanced Display. Dynamic refresh rate can now be enabled via a toggle. After being enabled, Windows will then dynamically adjust the refresh rate up to the selected rate to help save power. Click here for more information on dynamic refresh rate. Additionally, made small changes to help bring awareness to limitations related to the display or the cable being used that may not allow you to set a high refresh rate while being on a high display resolution. When selecting a refresh rate, you may notice some refresh rates will show an asterisk. That means that in order to select that specific refresh rate, the display resolution will need to be changed to one that supports the selected refresh rate. This behavior happens when there are limitations due to the cable or the display's capabilities and is not new. For CAST, building off the CAST improvements introduced with Build 25926, Microsoft updated the CAST flyout and quick settings with additional support for you in case you face any trouble discovering nearby displays, fixing connections, and more. For settings, the graph at the top of the power and battery page in settings has been removed. Insiders can continue to see a graph of battery usage in the battery usage section further down the page. The power and battery settings page is also no longer broken up by power and battery sections. So, these were the changes and improvements made in this build. Now talking about the fixes. Fixed issues impacting the File Explorer context menu and command bar dropdowns, causing them to become transparent and not work with touch. Fixed issues impacting File Explorer launch reliability. Fixed issues causing the Japanese and Chinese IMS to not work properly in certain apps, and to not work correctly in the File Explorer search box. Fixed an issue causing settings to crash when looking at detailed battery usage. The new options for tuning intensity and color boost of color filters now have labels. So that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.